So I got a gift. Oh shit. So I got a gift from Urban Decay. I got an email from them like way back in May. And I actually thought that I didn't get it. Like I thought I wasn't gonna be invited, but I am. And oh my god, this is my favorite color. Okay, wait. This is makeup setting spray. And it says no cracking, no makeup flaking. We love to see it. We have, ooh, it's multi-use concealer. Okay, good. Look at how cute that looks. I'm gonna try this out in a second. Hold on. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, okay, we have another one. Oh, okay, I see. They're so sweet. See, I didn't know what tone I was, so we're actually gonna test this out. I have color 50NN, which is just neutral, but I'm pretty sure this was mine, which was dark neutral. We're gonna see. We're gonna find out. We're gonna get to the bottom of this. There's one more thing in here. Flawless complexion. I love to see that. Last but not least, we have the Blush Glow Hydrator, and it has kombucha filtrate marula oil, and I love kombucha. And it says red flag. It's in the color red flag, and wow. I mean, if this doesn't already say red flag, I don't know what will. So let's try it out, actually. Boom. Oh, that's so sexy. And I've always wanted a liquid blush, so it's almost like they read my mind. I was not expecting to be getting this many like interesting things. So you can see it's really, oh, it's like really juicy. It's almost like reminds me of like those spicy kids, you know, little candies. I'm so excited for this because ooh, and I'm just like, okay, you guys know I'm not like an MUA at all. I'm actually really honored that they thought of me for this because I don't even have like sponges like that. But I feel like that's what this is like for. It's like for people who like truly, just like people of all experiences, you know, like people who truly do not have the skill. I like people who like don't have time to like get the skill. But that looks really good. I'm honestly really feeling this blush because it is really red, obviously, but it does a really good job of setting into my skin. So, and I am someone who has natural blush that I'm really proud of. I am someone who has natural blush because I'd be embarrassed. What can I say? I blush. You've probably made me blush before if you comment, so definitely comment on this and I'll get even redder. I'll be more of a red flag. This is makeup setting spray, so to be honest, like I said, I don't really use foundation like that, but what we're gonna do, which I feel like, ooh, that's like really soft. I wish I could explain. And this box is really soft too, and this packaging, oh my god, and it's called All Nighter. We love to see it. So I did put on some blush. I'm gonna actually try on the concealer right now so that we have something to set it with. And we're gonna start with the neutral, and I'm actually going to apply that just under here, under my eyebrows, just to test it out. I think it's, yeah, way too light for me. I usually apply highlight to here anyways. It's like one of the few things I do. I love that it comes with this beautiful brush like that. Oh my god, it's like, it's even softer than velvet. It's like velvet fur. I feel like George Costanza right now. So how do I do this? Even Urban Decay, like I'm okay, here we go. There we go. Oh wow, this is so good. This is, you see what I'm saying? Like, this is my first time putting in beauty rollers. Like, I am not skilled in beauty at all, and this is so accessible. Wow, thank you. I feel so chingona right now. Like, I feel chingona. Oh my god, okay. That could be a little bit too much, but we're gonna blend it Oh my god. That was definitely too much. Ooh. It's really creamy and nice. I like it. It looks alright now. It's kind of giving the lift that I wanted it to give. Yes. We're gonna do just a little dot because it is very potent. And we're just giving a little lift, a little eyebrow lift. Okay, I love that. A little highlight. And so this brush now I have to clean it, right MUAs? I'm so proud. Urban Decay really said, we can tell that you're the type of girl that needs this. Like, you need this. And I do. So thank you. I do. Let's try this, which I'm really nervous to try because the tone, I had to fill it out online, and I hardly ever use concealer. Let's try it out. It says quick fix, full coverage, lightweight formula. Ooh, vitamin E infused, and up to 24-hour long wear. Oh, here we go. I was about to say, hey, Urban, that's not accessible, but this is. Thank you. I'm just really, I'm like a child when it comes to these things. Absolutely. So again, we have this sleek packaging that is just so simple. Really? Oh, that is so satisfying right there. Oh my god. I'm too weak for this. Oh, here we go. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what should I fix? So I actually have, I don't know if this is like the way it's supposed to go, but I actually have a knee scrape from when I was skating. I bombed this hill. Actually, I was on a scooter. I was on a Razor scooter. Let me not try and act like I was cool as fuck. No, but it was a San Francisco hill, and you know we're famous for that. So it completely destroyed my knees. And so what we're gonna try and do is cover it up. And so far, it's actually looking, I would say, pretty good. I don't know if you can see it from there. Ooh. Okay, you know what? I think it might be too dark. I'm gonna try it on my face because for my knees, it's not necessarily looking great. Like, where are my flaws? Because I don't see them. Like, I don't see them, so I don't know what I'm supposed to cover up. Hold on. Let's get a little closer. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna block. Let's block that out. Yeah, let's get rid of that little dot. Ah! Can you see it? Okay. Let's see if it's gone now and if it blends in with my skin tone crackly. I don't even see it anymore. It seems to be really working. So that's amazing. Ooh, how about my mustache? Oh my god, not my mustache. What if we try that? Let's try that. How does that look? Did I just make it? Does it? No. Bruh. Is that a flaw? I'm too perfect. I'm sorry, I'm too perfect to need concealer. But on the off chance that I ever am not, I will definitely be using this. God forbid. Now that they're all lined up and I've tried these three, let's try the last one, which is the all-nighter. I actually am really, really excited because it's so soft, my favorite color, and just want to be refreshed right now. I just need a little, I'll let you know how it feels. So the smell isn't as like herbal or like exotic as I thought it would be. It does smell like pretty much every other set spray, but I will say it landed and dried immediately. It's nice and mattening, and I know that that's important. I know that much. my skin is like more hydrated, even though it's like lightweight. Like it almost feels like it's defying gravity or like science in that way. So I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that, Urban Decay. Thank you so much. I'm like honored, and that's why I had to, you know, bring out the stops for you. I've been singing that Rico Nasty song ever since. Like, it's gonna stay cause it's Urban Decay. And I don't even listen to her like that anymore. Y'all are iconic. It's gonna stay cause it's Urban Decay. That's how I feel. Thank you. Gracias.